Chapter 8, Segment 1, Visual Motion Perception. Motion after effect, or MAE, is the illusion of motion of a stationary object that occurs after prolonged exposure to a moving object. Viewing motion in a constant direction for a sustained period of time, about 15 seconds or so. Stationary or non-moving objects start to move in the opposite direction of us. This is caused by the opponent processes for motion detection. Akiyoshi Kitaoka's illusion rollers elicit directional responses from neurons in monkey cortex that respond closely to the directions perceived by humans. Computation of visual motion. Motion involves a change in position over time. How to build a motion detector. Start with two adjacent receptors, neurons A and B separated by fixed distance. A spot of light moving from left to right will pass through neuron A's receptive field first, then shortly after will enter neuron B's receptive field. In theory, a third cell listens to both neurons. This theory or mechanism would be direction selective, meaning it would respond to motion from left to right but not from right to left. Apparent motion is the illusory impression of smooth motion resulting from the rapid alternation of objects that appear in different locations in rapid succession. First demonstrated by Sigmund Exner in 1875. He set up a contraction that would generate electrical sparks separated from each other by a very short distance in space in a very short period of time. Even though there were two separate sparks, two different perceptual objects, observers swore they saw a single spark moving from one position to another. The correspondence problem. In motion detection, the problem faced by the motion detection system of knowing which feature in frame 2 corresponds to a particular feature in frame 1. We have motion detectors for all directions. The detectors compete to determine our overall perception.